All right, here's one on Angie by the Rolling Stones. So this one's going to start out with the A minor. So you kind of strum that A minor a little bit and you get a little 3 on the bottom E string here. Now this is an interesting E7 here. We're going to have 2 and then 4 and 3 and open. And there's lots of different things that happen, like strumming stuff. He'll even take those 2 down and back up a little bit. And there's also some finger picking through that chord. So this makes it a real cool, it's like an E7, 2, 1, 3 open. But by going 2, 4, 3 open, has a real interesting sound to it that way. And it makes your little arpeggiating finger picking of that sound really cool. So here goes like the intro, A minor. So when you put that little G in there, that makes it an A minor 7. So you got an A minor. And then we got this E7. Then we're going to come to this G. It's like a G major, but it has a pinky in here. So 5, 5, 3, 3. It's like a Gsus. Kind of go to a G. We jump down to this F here and we do that same sus thing and pull it out. So it's like. So we got a little G sus to a G, F sus to F, and then we're gonna have. So we're kind of playing the notes of this F. We can kind of make it into sort of a C, but we're gonna have this bass line 3, 2, 0, 2 to the open, and then we're back to A minor. Now when we come back to this A minor the second time, we got a cool little riff here. We can do the 2 bottom 5s. To the 3s, to the 5s on the next set of strings, 2nd and 3rd string. So we got. Okay, and then we're back to that E7. Every now and again, it'll throw that in there. So that's our main first part of the song. A minor to E7, G sus to G, and then a walking bass. Once again, that walking bass is like 3 on that F chord, and then you kind of move the 2 to a C chord, open, back to the 2, and then an open at the end of that. So dum da dee dum dee dum, and then the walk. Okay, then our next part is gonna be a G chord. Then D minor to the A minor, and then C, F, G. G goes twice as long. So let's look at that again. We start on G. Now you can use that pinky down there, kind of make that G a little interesting. You can also, with this D minor, you can go to that open a bit on that D minor bottom string. A minor. A minor can also have a little 3 on it every now and again. Same with the C, could have a little 3. F, G. Got those little pinkies. So those are ways to just spice up those basic chords. Then we're going to come back to the A minor. E7. We got our G sus, F sus, walking bass. Okay, so we do 3 times of this A minor. Then we're going back to our G, D minor, A minor, C to F, G twice. We're back to A minor. E7. We're gonna have two more of these A minors. This is the instrumental section right here. Back to G. A minor. E7. We got one more of these A minors. This is going to be our last going to the G. The one thing about the Rolling Stones and Keith Richards and stuff is they would never really do it the same. So there's like all kind of, you might have the same chords, but where the riff goes and how it's played and little things that go with it are constantly evolving and changing. It's never the same. That's what keeps it fun too. So then we're going to have this last going to the G. D minor, A minor, C to F, G. Now we're gonna have the bridge, D minor to A minor. And those are gonna go back and forth 3 times. Then we got C to F, quicker, and then G, twice as long as those, so full bar there. And then we're back to A minor. And this is gonna be our last one on A minor. This walking bass ends on a C chord. All right, so Angie by the Rolling Stones. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you soon. Happy holidays.